I don't feel like I'm aimed correctly. Yeah! Oh. Hey guys, I'm Travis Pastrana, professional daredevil and founder of Nitro Circus. And for better or worse, these are my friends. We lived our lives with one motto, never grow up. So now, the kid in me is bringing America's favorite childhood toys to life. We're taking the highest selling, most influential toys of all time, and we're building them bigger and badder than you ever imagined. This is life-size toys. All right, guys, here we are, the magic box of toys. So, we have the iconic toss and catch. Here you go, here you go. Have you guys played with one of these before? I do. There you go. I love a toy whose name says it all, toss and catch. A hell of a lot easier than a baseball and a glove, this toy was perfect for parents whose kids had absolutely no eye-hand coordination, just like me. That's when you need that classic pink and green Velcro the most. We're gonna go ahead and do this in the full-on Nitro way. So, someone is going to be the ball. This is the Velcro, but here's the kicker, guys. We are gonna do a catapult. So, you're gonna launch from here all the way over the water into the mitt.
Hold on a second, hold on. All right. Now, I get what you got here, but who's that?
Not it.
Not it. Not it.
If we were gonna launch ourselves in a life-size game of toss and catch, first, we had to create a giant, custom-colored Velcro pad to catch us. Then, the hard part. Turns out, building a catapult from scratch is way more complicated than it looks.
You know, I feel like maybe I had a very sheltered childhood growing up, because at no point did I ever play with a catapult.
We worked with a team of engineers to design and build one, 20 feet long, complete with a custom air compressor and a 300-pound piston to launch us forward. Once we welded and reinforced all the steel, it was time for testing.
It looks delicious.
Good luck, little guy. See you on the other side.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Jesus!
Yeah! That's
awesome.
you! That's all you!
That's you!
No, it's you!
That's you! Not me. Look at that.
Luckily for us, our Velcro pad should be much softer. This giant pink and green airbag is 12 feet in diameter and floating 60 feet away from the catapult. Now all we need is our human Velcro balls.
All right, guys, this is it.
This looks awesome.
Life-size toss and catch.
It's a rough day to be a tennis ball.
Can I be first?
Yes.
I'll go second.
You want to go?
The game is simple. Piranha has 3 tosses to get as many of us to stick as he can. All right, make it happen, Captain. I thought I was gonna be all nimbly-bimbly.
If this doesn't work out, can I have your rally car?
I mean, I guess if I'm dead, sure.
Yeah, perfect.
I don't feel like I'm aimed correctly.
No, you're good.
All right, well, if you say it's gonna work, Piranha, I'll take your word for it. Whoa! Here we go. Oh! Oh! Hey, I didn't make it.
That is far from good.
Looks like his eyes are closed.
There's nothing broke. My head just hurt.
So I don't get the rally car, huh?
No, you don't get the rally car. There you go. Just look. Yeah, I'm good. Just help me out. Hey, I'm good. Doc, trust me.
I think we just need to put him down, guys.
Travis, is your neck hurt?
No, I'm solid.
Your back?
No, nothing. No, I'm 100%. I tell you,
tingling, no
I mean, go through
numbness,
everything, but yeah,
nothing like
everything's fine. I'm great.
Might as well just hurry up and do this so we can catch the same ambulance out.
Yeah.
Cheaper.
But I went for the flip, so I tucked. I was like, I don't have enough. And I thought I had enough distance, so I was gonna just hit the wall. And then the pad below the airbag, not much padding. I just think it wouldn't be a bad idea to move that in just a hair. Then send Josh second. Yeah, I will. If you move that in 5 feet, like even if you hit the top, you're still gonna get all that cushion, and you're gonna be able to figure out
You might just roll off of it,
from
so you're
there
not gonna do
what
you
you
did.
got. Yeah. Good luck, guys. I'm gonna go to the medics, and I think someone else is up next.
Thanks, Trav.
He really is. All right, you're up.
So while I was off to the medical tent to get my head examined, our safety team added extra padding and moved it in a few feet. Still, after my massive failure, I don't think anyone was excited to go next.
Can you do something for me if it doesn't work out?
I know, man, I know. We'll delete your browser history. All right, got it. Are you ready, Josh?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! 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 Woo! That's awesome!
Oh, that hurt my lady parts a little bit.
We're gonna need a spatula.
We caught a big one! How awesome was that?
I'll wake you up in the morning.
All right, Vic. That's dead center.
I think you pulling me off that thing hurt worse than hitting the landing. And
Well, first member of team didn't die.
All right, let's reset this thing and do it one more time. Or you're up now.
Even though Josh stuck, Vicky's fate was still in Piranha's hands. This is so awesome. I love watching.
How did you guys get up here?
Do what feels natural.
This doesn't feel natural at all. No one does this.
All right, Vicky, you remember that time I asked you on a date and you said no?
Wait, what? Freedom!
Awesome! She flipped upside down.
Woo! That's it!
let's get out of here.
Done. Go get lunch.
Yeah, I'm starving.
Where are you guys going? Guys, this isn't funny. I